Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. It's time for Why are you doing it with me? Wonder Wednesday. How you doing, Chris?
I'm good, thank you. Saffron, how are you?
Me bad. I've got a cold, so I sound quite bummed up. But I'm okay. I'm doing okay. Do you know what? It's been a while since the last one on Wednesday, so I can't actually remember who won.
Yeah, me, because you had to eat a banana.
Was that the last one?
That was the last one. You had to eat the banana, so I am currently the reigning champion. That's pretty much the standard, really, isn't it? You know.
No, it's not, because the one before that I won. So that's not standard. So no, I'd say that because it's true.
Did you have a good Easter?
Yeah, it was nice. It was a good little break. I really enjoyed it. What did you do?
Went to Glasgow, went nice to the beach, you know, eat lots of food, happy day.
He had sandwiches in Glasgow, which he loved. So, favourite thing. So he's very happy. But what are we doing today?
Play the game.
Nice to know. I'm glad everyone's
Challenge,
won.
forfeit. Whipple snapper.
Whippersnapper.
That's what I said.
No, you said Whipple.
Couldn't remember the name of the game. Whipple snapper. What's it called?
Whippersnapper.
A whippersnapper. Oh, even better then. Whippersnapper. Whipple snapper.
Whipper.
What?
Whipper.
Whipper.
Yeah, whippersnapper.
Whippersnapper. That's what we're playing.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Few bit there.
Ooh.
Oh!
That was a great shot.
That is shot right there.
Oh.
That
Running and bounce off the net. Oh, he's trying to go.
Five, four, three, two, one. Oh, what a life.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time did you try?
Oh, 1-1 Saffron.
It's good. It's good.
1-1. That is close. That is very close. 1 minute, 1 ball each. It's gonna need to go to penalties, I think.
It
It's
is.
gonna need
It was
to.
harder than I thought it would be, actually. But I was happy when I got the one in.
Oh, do you know what? I thought, yeah, very hard. Different type, but I went for the marble in the end. I was
Yeah.
trying to see if I could
He's
get a
just
small
so
ball.
desperate.
I think I could have, but anyway,
Yeah.
1 apiece, sudden death. It's going to go penalties. We're going to do 5 balls, 5 shots. Whoever gets the goal at the end of 5, we'll see who does
Or
it.
the most of 5. If you both get 1 each, then keep going.
Who gets
Yeah.
the most?
Yeah.
Who gets the most?
Let's see. Oh! Did that hit the end? I'm actually
Oh, no way.
Well, I won. Woo-hoo! Do you know what? I genuinely shocked myself with that. Like, I was like, just be confident. And then I got it. And his
First
face.
shot.
Yeah, I wish you could have seen his face as well.
First
Like, he
shot.
was not happy. Not happy.
First shot. What on earth? Well done, Saffron.
Thank
Do you know what? I'm glad I decided there was going to be no forfeit today because I would have had to do it. But I think just it's bad enough knowing that you've beaten me with that game. I could eat any chili, any disgusting, horrible thing. It wouldn't be as bad right now as how I feel knowing that
Which
you
makes
beat me.
me feel great. That's pretty good. I'll take that. Guys, have a good week, and we'll see you soon.